Hello everyone, welcome back. In the previous video, we have covered about the fragment, and in this video, we will learn about the life cycle method. अब लाइफ साइकिल मेथड की जब बात करते हैं तो यहाँ पे हम लोग फंक्शनल कंपोनेंट के बारे में बात नहीं करेंगे बिकॉज द फंक्शनल कंपोनेंट डज नॉट हैव एनी लाइफ साइकिल मेथड. So in this video, we will talk only about the class component, right? So let's come to the official site of the React and see the lifecycle method. So each component has several lifecycle method that you can override to run at particular time in the process, right? So in React, whenever we are creating a component, it goes through the different phases. So what are those phases? The first one is the mounting, second one is updating, and third one is the unmounting phase, and fourth one is the error handling phase, right? So inside the mounting phase, there are the four inbuilt method. The first one is the constructor, second one is get derived state from props, and third one is the render, and fourth one is the component did mount. And inside the updating phase, there are the five inbuilt method. The first one is the get derived state from props, should component update. Third one is a render. Fourth one is get snapshot before update, and the component did update. And inside the unmounting phase, there are only one component will unmount. And inside the error handling phase, there are the two inbuilt method. The first one is get derived state from error, and the second one is the component did catch. So these are the basic fundamental of the component life cycle. तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम लोग पढ़ेंगे कि माउंटिंग फेज के अंदर में ये जो फोर इनबिल्ट मेथड है वो कैसे काम करते हैं और किस ऑर्डर में एग्जीक्यूट करते हैं, राइट? So that's all for this video. We will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.